tell me a little bit about your new book, The Visual Sale, and what we're talking about here today.
As you mentioned, I recently co-authored a book called The Visual Sale, which is based on my experiences over the last 5+ years, immersed in the world of video in B2B sales and marketing. And we've learned a lot over that time. And frankly, the use of video has changed a lot over that time. And it's even changed a lot over the last 18 months. And so this book was an opportunity to almost document a lot of the best practices that we've seen out there, some of the cultural challenges that come along with embracing video as a content medium and how to get over those. And most importantly, how to empower your sales team or yourself as a sales rep to make the most of video, not just live video calls, but actually turning into, wait for it, a video creator yourself, where you can record and send your own videos, which scares the heck out of a lot of salespeople, but that's something that I'm really passionate about right now.
What is one attitude you'd like people to have leaving the podcast?
Understanding that video as part of your sales and marketing programs, it's not a production, it's not a whole new strategy. It's a new way to communicate your most important messages and create those connections at a distance. And that's it.
And one key behavior or thing you would like people to do?
Ensure that we are being as authentic and genuine and trustworthy as possible with our prospects and clients. That seems to be at a premium these days and is even more difficult to convey in virtual environments. So practice that and be true to yourself. Be genuine, be authentic, be that person that genuinely wants to help. And that's going to show through in how you communicate.
And finally, technique, the best tool, tip, or hack you can recommend.
Well, in addition to using videos as part of your prospecting and sales process, get out there on the social networks. If you're not already out there, building up your own little community, helping others, and contributing back in ways that people will see and recognize, it's a good time to start doing that as well.
Thank you for watching this highlight video from the How to Succeed podcast. You can subscribe to the podcast on iTunes, Google Play, and Spotify, or click subscribe right here on YouTube to get notices about future episodes. And remember, whatever you are, be a good one.